After months of speculation, the big show, the Fed meeting, is almost here. And for gold investors, could this be the metal's best shot to break out of its current range? Joining me today is Todd Bubba Horwitz of BubbaTrading.com. Bubba, welcome back.
Great to be here, Danielle. Always a pleasure to be on with you.
So give it to us straight here. Is the Fed going to stick to 3 hikes or move to 4 or 5, possibly, like some analysts are projecting? How do you see it?
I think the Fed will continue with their clueless participation in trying to manipulate the market, and I think they're going to stay with 3. I think what they've done here now is they've now lost control of the bond market, so interest rates are rising, and their last hope is to try to manipulate the dollar, and they're trying to suppress that dollar. But I think the dollar breaks out as well, which is the same thing as them putting in a rate hike. So the rates are going to go higher, and once the dollar starts to go higher, it's going to spell doom for interest rates and doom for the Fed.
And what will it spell for gold?
Well, gold isn't interesting right now. It's really been stuck in this trading range from 1,300 to 1,365. There may be one more final curtain to the downside here. You know, probably the 1,240 is the lowest I could see it going. I don't know if it'll get there or not, but I do like gold, and I'm a buyer of it. I just, you know, you have to be prepared to sit back and hold it here just in case, because there's a good chance that we break 1,300, it could test that 1,240 level. If not, it may stay in this range a little bit longer. But I think gold has already priced in a higher dollar, like about 95 cents worth. So I don't think the dollar itself will affect the price of gold right now.
I know that from a pure value play, you have said that silver is the better investment over gold. So would you sell your gold to buy silver here?
Well, I would buy them both, but if I had to do one, I would only buy silver. But unfortunately, I can buy both. But I think silver is the real play here at 80 to 1 against, you know, the relationship. I think that, you know, silver is going to perform much better than gold over the long term. And I think that, you know, you've got a lot of multiple purposes for it. So I think silver is a great value here. And not only that, but the commercials are massively short gold and now flat silver, which they're usually massively short silver as well.
So will we finally see some sort of rally regardless next week?
Yeah, you'll see some little spark up here, I think. Again, if gold stays in the range, you'll see a big rally like we've seen. We've had a couple of rallies up to 1,340, up to 1,365. But again, I don't know that it'll break out to the upside yet, but I do think that, as I've said before, I think the down or the bear market is over in gold. It's just a question of when we're going to start to go up and when we get into a new bull market.
Todd Bubba Horwitz, thank you so much.
Thank you, Daniela. Have a great day.
And thank you for watching. We'll be back next week.
Hey.